Hey, what's up everybody? Alex here with a look at two battery jumpers from DeWalt. So these are battery jumpers slash air compressors. This is a 1600 amp jumper with a 120 PSI compressor. This is rated for 1600 peak jump amps, and this is a 2000 amp jumper with a 120 PSI compressor. This has 2000 peak jump amps, and this is also a 500 watt power inverter, and they give you a couple of 120 volt AC outlets. So let's test out the inverter a little bit. Can it boil water? So we're going to turn the AC power on. You're going to hear the fan come on. So it's pretty quiet, pretty quiet. And we're going to plug it in. Why is it flashing? Oh, there you go, 22. No, it didn't do it. You got a fault right there. 120 volt, 6 amp grinder. All right, so that faulted it out. $1,600 off 18 or 2,000. 1,600, 2,000. The 1,600 looks brighter. Let's see where we're at right now. We're at 35.5. So let's go. Oh, is it smoking? A little smoke coming off of there. You see that? Wow. Ooh, you got what, about 18 PSI out of that run. Can't really get a good heat reading on this because it's a bigger case. Look at this for a coincidence. Just happened to pick up a screw. And so we have this set to 70 from the other day. Ooh, that is seriously hot. And yeah, it looks like you can get about 20 PSI average around for 10 minutes, and then you're supposed to let it rest for 10 to 30 minutes. So I've been testing these out for the past few days on a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. It's a 6-cylinder engine, and it runs on 2 batteries. 0.025, check the other battery. Same thing. All right, now this should come on before you turn this on. This should come on to let you know you're hooked up. And nothing's happening here, so let's go ahead and try this. And nothing. So now we're going to turn it on. Oh, check it out, the dome light came on. So it is feeding this some power. And this alert right there means that it doesn't think it's hooked up to anything. Huh? Now it's actually showing it's hooked up.
I always just felt bad for him. Yeah,
all right, see what happens. Oh, let's just give it a couple of minutes. That's encouraging. So it says it's hooked up correctly and it's ready to jump. So let's give it a minute. Oh. All right, it's not going to do it. So this one right away is ready to go. That's the right sequence. So let's just give it a minute. So 11.7. It's not on, that's why. Let's try that. Tried the other one. Let's try to start it first. There ain't nothing, so let's hook it up here. All right, good deal, man. Success. I think we're running, hit the check alternator. So alternator good. Now we're going to turn it off and put some load on it. So we got all the lights on. We'll hit it again. See here, all good. With this one, you know, you can just plug your extension cord into it. With this one, you got to keep track of the AC adapter. It's just a regular AC adapter. It's nothing proprietary or anything. I think for a single battery V8, you're probably going to be all good with these. I've seen guys on YouTube that seem to be happy with these for those engines in their trucks and Jeeps. So that's it for me, guys. Hope this information helps you out. If you get one of these, I wouldn't get one of these if you have a diesel truck.